Hello students, this is Anand Misra from Umadevi Children's Academy. Through this video, the students will be able to learn about Roman numbers. Okay, so let us start. Okay, basically we know about two types of numbers. Just one, Hindu Arabic numbers, just like Hindu Arabic numbers are written in this way, just like 1, 2, 3, etc. And number 2, Roman numbers. Roman numbers are written in this way, just like 1, 2, 5, X, etc. Okay, and these are the symbols of numbers. Okay, to write Hindu Arabic numbers into Roman numbers, we use some definite particular symbols. Okay, just like for, just like the symbol I is used for 1. The symbol V is used for 5. The symbol 10, just like यहाँ पे, here X is used for 10. Then the symbol L is used for 50. Symbol C is used for 100. Symbol D is used for 500. Symbol M is used for 1000. Okay, these symbols are used to form any Roman number. By using these symbols, we can write any number into Roman number. Okay, even if we want to write any small number or we want to write any bigger number, greater number. Okay, so through these symbols we can write any number into Roman number. Okay, any Roman number. So let us have a look. To change any Hindu Arabic number or numeral into Roman number, we should remember, we should know about some particular rules. Okay, so these particular rules are like, just like number 1, no symbol is written more than 3 times. Always remember one thing, no symbol is written more than 3 times. कोई भी symbol, जैसे कि किसी भी हिंदू और अरेबिक नंबर को रोमन नंबर में चेंज करते समय इस बात का हमेशा ध्यान रहे कि कोई भी सिंबल, जितने भी सिंबल बताए गए हैं इनमें से कोई भी सिंबल 3 बार से ज़्यादा नहीं लिखा जाना चाहिए. ठीक है, उसको 3 बार से ज़्यादा नहीं लिखा जाएगा. और नंबर 2, रिपीटिंग अ न्यूमरल अप टू 3 टाइम्स रिप्रेजेंट एडिशन ऑफ द नंबर. किसी भी नंबर, कोई भी नंबर अगर 3 बार अगर रिपीट होता है तो उसका मतलब ये है कि वो जो नंबर है उसको 3 बार उसको ऐड किया जाएगा. ठीक है, जस्ट लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल triple I has written triple I. It means 3 times. I is written 3 times. So triple I represents, I denotes for 1. So plus 1 plus 1. Okay. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3. Okay. and V, the symbol V, L and D cannot be repeated. Okay, and the symbol V, L and D can also not be subtracted from greater number. Okay, and then after, okay students, next rule is when a symbol appears after a larger symbol, it is added. Okay, for example, let us take one example. Okay, larger symbol is X. Okay, and X is written for 10. X जो है वो 10 के लिए यूज किया जाता है. ठीक है, 10 के लिए. अब सपोज दैट आफ्टर X, after this symbol, I write here I. So it means it is added. So this value is added in larger number. Just like 10, X denotes for 10. It is written after this. I is written after larger number. So it will be added. Added means plus, and I is written for 1. So 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Okay. Our next rule is if any symbol is written before or left of the greater symbol or number, it is subtracted. Okay. So let us take example. Let us take same number, same larger number, just like X. X is written for 10. Now I am writing I before or left of this larger number. Okay. So now it is subtracted. So this value is subtracted from this number. Okay. Suppose this is 10 and this I is written, this symbol is written to the left of this number, this symbol. So it will be subtracted. Minus 1 equal to 9. Now let us take some more examples. Okay. Suppose that we have to write down the following Hindu or Arabic numbers into Roman numbers. Just like 30, as we know, 30 means X. Here is written 10 plus 10 plus 10. Now it is 30. We have to segment this number. Okay. We have to break this number. We have to write down this in expanding form. Now 10 is written as X, 10 is also written as X, and 10 is also, this is also written as X. So for 30 we shall use X, X and X. Okay. Then 34. Okay, so 30 means 30 plus 4. Okay, so 30 as we know x, हमें पता है कि x ही होगा 30, और 4 आपको 4 कैसे लिखा था, 4 5 में से 1 माइनस करना है, ये आपका 4 हो गया, ठीक है, 34. Let us break this number. Let us write this number in expanding form. 45 means 40 plus 5. We have to use those symbols which are written, which I have told you earlier. We can't use any other symbol. Okay? 40 is written just like how? 40 we can't write. If we write 4 times x, it will be 40. But there is one rule. No symbol is written more than 3 times. कोई भी सिंबल 3 बार से ज़्यादा बार नहीं लिखा जाता है. तो हमें क्या करना है, 40 के पास वाला हमें सिंबल देखना है. 40 के पास वाला सिंबल क्या है, 40 के पास वाला सिंबल हमें क्या मिलता है, 50 मिलता है. ठीक है, 50 को कैसे लिखते हैं, L. अब हमें क्या करना है, L एक ग्रेटर नंबर हमें चाहिए, तो 40 है, तो हम क्या करें, 50 में से 40 को माइनस कर देंगे. ओके, ये हो गया 50. 50 में से हम 10 को माइनस कर देंगे. ओके, 50 में से 10 माइनस करने पर 40 आ जाएगा. तो 10 का सिंबल होता है माइनस करने का मतलब इस नंबर के लेफ्ट साइड में लिखना, पहले लिखना, और कितना करना है, 10. ये 10 कर दिया, ये हो गया 40. ओके, देन आफ्टर 5 का सिंबल ये होता है. ओके, दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ 5. नाउ it is 45. Now suppose we are writing here 86. We shall write this number in expanding form. What will be expanding form? 80 plus 6. At first we have to write down 80. 80 means 50 plus 3 times x, because 50 plus 30 is equal to 80. तो 50 का सिंबल तो ये हो गया L, और उसमें हमें 30 और ऐड करने हैं. 30 का मतलब x ये हो गया, अभी 60 हो गया, 70, 80. ओके, नाउ 6 कैसे लिखेंगे, हमें सिंबल क्या मिल रहा है, 5. 6 के पास वाला हमें सिंबल मिल रहा है 5. तो 5, और हमें 5 में 1 को ऐड करना है. ऐड करने का मतलब इस नंबर के राइट साइड में लिखना है. ओके, नाउ इट इज 86. ओके, सपोज 65 60 we have to write in expanding form 60 plus 5. ओके, 60 मीन्स हमें कौन सा सिंबल मिल रहा है यहाँ पे, 60 के पास में कौन सा सिंबल हमें मिल रहा है यहाँ पे, 50. ओके, 50 को लिखते हैं L, और 50 में 10 को और ऐड करेंगे तो हो जाएगा 60. ऐड करने का मतलब राइट साइड में लिखना, ठीक है, और उसके बाद में 5 का सिंबल होता है ये V. ओके, नाउ let us take some more examples with three-digit number. Just like here we have to write down 1, 2, 6, 126. Now at first write this number in expanded form. 100. 100 plus 20 plus 6. Okay. So as we know, we have to write down these symbols. At first 100. What is the symbol of 100? C. Okay. C. Then after 20. 20 we shall write 2 times x. 1, 2 times x. 20. Then after 6. 6 we shall write. Which number we shall write here? At 5 plus 1. Okay. Now this is 126 will be written in this way. This is the way of writing 3-digit number. 257. 257. So at first write it in expanded form. Okay. 200 plus 50 plus 7. So 200 means C 100 plus we have to write down 100 more. We have to add 100. So we have to write at the right time. Right side. 100 plus 200. Now 50. 50 is written as L. L denotes 50 plus 7. 7 means 5 plus 2. 5 is written as V. And 2 means 1 and 1. Okay. 5, 6, 7. So this is 257. 257. Okay. Now let us take another number. $476. So write it expanded form. So how to write in expanded form? So here write at first 4 plus 2 numbers are left here. So write 20 plus here next number is 7. 7 and after 7 one digit is left only. So write 0 plus here 6. There is no digit after that. So now 400. 400. How to write 400? As I had earlier told you that no symbol is written more than 3 times. If we write C plus C plus C plus C 4 times, it will be 4 times, which is wrong. Then what should we do? Then we have to see the number nearest to 400. What is that symbol? 500. Then 500. Okay. So for 500 the symbol D is written. D. Okay. And this is 500. But we have to write down 400. So we have to subtract 100 from 500. So subtract means we have to write 100, symbol of 100 at the left side of D. So this will be C. Okay. Now 76. This is a 70. 70 is written 50 plus 50 plus now x plus x. Now it is 70 plus 6. 6 is written as 5, 1. V and I. Okay. So all these numbers are written in this way. Okay. Now I hope you like this video. You have learned so much through this video. So now it's time to say bye.